Zoom, zoom, let's dig! It's broken!
Hey!
Con trai giỏi lắm! Tuyệt vời ba ạ!
Promise. No.
Thank you, Tom. I needed that.
And that's how we solve this problem, Jerry. See?
Wow, Tom, I get it now. Look at this.
That's it. Excellent work.
We've got to adjust the scaffolding height over there. To clear the main support beam? Exactly. Move fast, we need it done by sundown. No problem, boss.
Time to build this tower. Just right. Perfect. Another brick in the wall. Almost there.
Now to stack them properly.
Done. Time for the next batch. All right. All right, time to move this.
Another job well done. I'm feeling very satisfied.
Ah, perfect. Just a little more. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you. You've earned it.
Guess what happened? It was amazing!
No way, tell me everything.
And then, boom!
I knew you could do it.
Look, Tom, look at this!
Jerry, you're always excited. Come on.
Oh, look, Tom, it's the crane.
I know, Jerry. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, can we get it, Tom? Can we?
Thank you, Bear.
Just scanning this for you, Tom. Great. Here's your card back. Looks good. Hey, it's moving.
Keep it steady, little friend.
Watch it go, Tom.
Chúng ta làm gì bây giờ?
Hello there.
Hi, everyone! Hi! I found the biggest pumpkin. Look at it. It's mine. Look at this big one.
Wow, it's perfect. Put it in.
All right, here it goes.
Hooray, that's the last one.
I worked all year on these. Look at them. They're ruined. What are we gonna do?
Look at us, Jerry. We're unstoppable.
Woohoo, Tom, this is awesome.
Huh? Wait, what? Man, wait. Absolutely not.
Look at them.
We're doing it, Tom.
Yeah, we are. Woohoo.
Time to go. Yahoo!
Ready to roll.
Your mama open up.
Yay!
Dig in, pal. Wow, this is the best. Glad you like it.
Keep it up, son.
Yes, Dad, I can do it.
I told you, I'm not doing it. Don't even try to ask again. That's odd. It's not falling out.
Why isn't it spilling?
What's happening?
What's that?
Keep up, son! Time to crush everything! Let's destroy it all! Nothing is safe!
What is that?
I don't know, but I'm scared.
We need to run! Time for a little home improvement. By which I mean destruction.
Keep running! They're right behind us! Move faster!
Oh no!
Look out, Tom. It's right there.
Look! We have to run!
Help! It's getting closer! Keep running! Faster! He's gonna catch us!
Jerry, this isn't good.
What are we gonna do, Tom?
Oh, we'll get through this.
Together.
Time for a little liquid refreshment.
Whoa, thanks. I feel like myself again.
No problem, buddy. Just doing my job.
Woohoo! Oh yeah! Awesome! We did it! So good!
You have the right to remain silent.
Anything you say can and will be used against you. But
I didn't do anything.